Welcome to Uterson Security Lab. On this channel, we focus exclusively on post-security camera systems for small businesses. Today, I'm going to walk you through what actually determines storage in a surveillance system, how to calculate real NVR capacity, a practical example for an 8-camera setup, and why so many business owners overspend without even realizing it. Let's break it down. Storage is not about the number of cameras. That's the first misconception. Storage is determined by resolution, bitrate, recording mode, and retention days. If someone calculates storage without considering bitrate, they are not calculating. They're guessing. And guessing costs money. Forget megapixels for a moment. What truly determines storage consumption is bitrate. Let's use a realistic example for a typical small business PO setup. Imagine a 4MP camera using H.265 compression, recording at 15 frames per second, with an average bitrate of 4,096 kilobits per second. This is not an exaggerated configuration. This is a balanced, professional setup commonly used in real installations. Now, let's calculate actual storage usage. The formula is simple. Bitrate in megabits per second multiplied by 3,600 seconds, multiplied by 24 hours, divided by 8. We divide by 8 because we are converting megabits into megabytes. Applying the formula to a camera configured at 4,096 kilobits per second gives us approximately 44,200 megabytes per day. That equals about 44.2 gigabytes per day for a single camera. This is real recorded data, not a marketing estimate. If you have 8 cameras, you multiply 44.2 gigabytes by 8. That results in roughly 353.9 gigabytes per day for the entire system. Now, let's talk about retention. Most small businesses want 30 days of continuous recording. When you multiply 353.9 gigabytes by 30 days, you reach approximately 10,617 gigabytes, which is about 10.6 terabytes of required storage. In practical terms, that means you need a minimum of 12 terabytes of surveillance-grade storage. Not 8 terabytes. Not 6 terabytes. 12 terabytes minimum, so you have safe headroom and avoid running your storage at maximum capacity. This is where mistakes usually happen. Business owners buy an 8 terabyte drive because it sounds big. They never check the bitrate settings. They assume motion recording will drastically reduce storage usage. Here's the reality. If your cameras are facing streets, entrances, parking lots, or any high-traffic area, they are recording almost continuously. Motion recording is not magic compression. It does not eliminate data the way people think it does. Now, let's talk like professionals. Storage requirements change whenever you change system variables. If you increase the bitrate to 6 megabits per second, storage increases proportionally. If you switch from 4 megapixel to 8 megapixel cameras and maintain image quality standards, bitrate increases. If you reduce retention to 15 days, storage is cut roughly in half. If you enable smart event recording and tune it correctly, you may reduce total usage. Every change affects your storage math. That is why system planning must come before buying hardware. For 8 PO cameras running at 4 megapixel, using H.265 compression, averaging 4 megabits per second, and storing 30 days of footage, you need roughly 10 to 11 terabytes of usable storage. From a professional standpoint, you install a 12 terabyte drive. Always calculate. Never guess. If you're planning a post-security system for your business, storage is not an afterthought. It is part of the strategy. On this channel, we break down surveillance systems the way professional integrators do, not the way online stores market them. If you want to build smarter surveillance infrastructure, subscribe. This is Uterson Security Lab. See you in the next breakdown.